Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and backing up everything. This prevents data loss when you power wash. Once done, enable developer mode only if your model requires it, because that step clears local accounts and settings. Make sure you have an 816 GB USB and download the Chrome OS Flex image on another computer. Use the Chrome recovery utility to create the bootable installer. This writes the OS image and makes the USB bootable. Now shut down the Chromebook and plug in the USB. You boot from the USB using the specific key combo for your Chromebook. That lands you in the Chrome OS Flex Live environment. Once live, test Wi-Fi, keyboard, touchpad, audio, and display so you know hardware works before committing. If everything looks good, choose Install when ready. This will replace the internal OS and write Flex to storage. Take time to read prompts. Some models offer options or flags for firmware. Make sure battery is charged or plugged in during flashing. You finish by setting up your Google account, applying system updates, and reinstalling extensions and apps you need. Once done, verify that updates installed correctly and check settings for power, display, and privacy options. If the Chromebook won't boot into Flex, reflash the USB and retry. Make sure developer mode or firmware flags are set as required. As a quick troubleshooting tip, recreating the installer on a different USB or using another machine often fixes corrupt media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.